So here we go, new chicken again. New chicken again. New chicken again. Brand new from the hatchery. Just came today. Put it right now. Whoa. Don't let him there with us.
Hold them, Mama.
Hold on. Just hold it. Come. Let me move them. Come. See, wet them up. Come, put it fast. Oh, take it out. Take it out. Get something to dry up the water. Use that. Chicken again, new chicken again. They're so beautiful. Just got these today again. Wow. If you like my video, please subscribe and share. New chicken, we are going up for the 8th week of their life. 6 to 8 weeks of their life. Because I had